Welcome back to NextWave Bikes. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance superbikes with a machine that's made for those who crave speed and precision, the legendary Aprilia RSV4. Known for its race-inspired engineering and incredible agility, this bike is a favorite among track enthusiasts and riders seeking a thrilling experience on the road. Let's take a deep look at what makes the Aprilia RSV4 stand out. The Aprilia RSV4's design is as aggressive as its performance. From the aerodynamic fairing to the sharp lines, everything is built to slice through the air effortlessly. The RSV4 features a sleek and compact frame, contributing to its agility and quick handling. And with the distinctive triple LED headlights and an integrated wing design, this bike is a head-turner on every level. Aprilia has crafted the RSV4 not just for performance, but for a style that reflects its Italian racing heritage. Technology and features. Aprilia has equipped the RSV4 with cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most advanced bikes on the market. At its heart is a powerful V4 engine with advanced electronics for a smooth yet thrilling ride. The bike boasts the Aprilia Performance Ride Control, APRC, which includes features like traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and even cornering ABS, giving riders complete control and confidence in every condition. The full-color TFT display adds a modern touch, providing real-time data and customizable riding modes to enhance every ride. The RSV4 is all about performance. Its 1100cc V4 engine delivers heart-pounding power and impressive torque, designed to dominate both the track and open roads. With advanced suspension and Brembo braking systems, the RSV4 gives you precise handling and control, whether you're cornering at high speeds or navigating city streets. Every twist of the throttle brings out the power within, making this bike an unforgettable experience for performance enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Aprilia RSV4. This bike is truly a masterpiece of engineering, combining power, control, and style like few others can. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more in-depth looks at the world's top bikes. Let us know in the comments what you think about the RSV4 or which bike you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle open with NextWave Bikes.